wires on the first. Two, possibly one posted. I couldn't tell if the other one posted yesterday or not. Video, you can't tell what I was shooting at until I go over there, pick it up, put it back on a thing, go back, sit down, and shoot at it, get back and shoot what I shot at. You can't really tell because the angle of the camera is kind of off. I don't know still. Trying to be an instructional video. An instructional video. Why did you stop talking? What happened? You should show my videos then. You'd probably have a shit fit looking at my video.